Welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna unbox and take a look at the glorious PC Gaming Race Pro Game Mousepad g-xxl. So I bought this mousepad because I really need another one, and this one was in the recommended page of Rocket Jump Ninja. I will leave his link down in the description below so you can check it out. He has a complete list with I think 40 mouse mats which he all tested, and this one was like the third option or something like that. So it's a black one. You have three different colors. It's the blue, black and white. So just what fits your setup really. This one is 18 inches by 36 inches or 64 centimeters by 91 centimeters for everybody else. Yeah, so if you take a look at the back here, we have some information. So black, you see the dimensions right here. Smooth and low friction surface. It's machine washable. It's always nice if you get if you eat a lot, if you eat on your desk. This could be a really important option for you. It's non-slip rubber base, which is with most mouse pads really important, so the thing doesn't go sliding around. High quality, alright, blah blah blah. So there are actually 6 other sizes. So you have large, XL, XL extended, extended, XXL extended, which is the one I have. 3XL extended, that's the biggest one. I will leave all dimensions in the picture that you can see right now. So yeah, let's get the box. I doubt this will fit my desk, but yeah, let's see if we can get it out of here. There we go. So there we have it. It's probably not gonna fit. I'm gonna put a couple pictures of it that you can see right now. So that was the video. I think the only thing on this mousepad which I know is this little glorious PC Gaming Race fixture. So you have a couple pictures that are going to be up on screen right now, which you can view. As you can see, you have plenty enough space for everything that you want to put on it, like a keyboard, a mouse, maybe even something more, but it's mainly for a keyboard and mouse, as you can see right here. So I'm going to upgrade my keyboard, which is going to be in a short video, probably in a couple of days, with a new one, because this one is just complete garbage. It's a membrane. We're going to upgrade to a mechanical keyboard. So yeah, this was the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's my first video in like 8 months, but there are going to be a lot of videos coming, including a new setup. I'm going to upgrade this desk that you see right here. It's going to be a new desk. So as you can see, a new keyboard, we got new lighting. It's going to be awesome. So be prepared for that. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.